Welcome to a quick and practical guide on turning off notifications for Reels on Facebook. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by Reels popping up at all hours, this step-by-step walkthrough will help you regain control of your notifications so you only get the alerts you actually want. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and tap the three horizontal lines, sometimes called the menu icon. This opens a main menu where all the app's settings and features live. From the menu, scroll down a bit and choose Settings and Privacy. Under that section, select Settings. You'll land on a screen with a variety of controls for your account, privacy, and preferences. It's here that you can customize how Facebook communicates with you. Next, find and tap Notifications. This is where Facebook groups your alerts by category, making it easier to fine-tune what you actually want to see and hear about. On the Notifications page, look for Reels. It might be listed under a broader category like video or general activity, depending on updates to the app's layout. Tap Reels to access the specific options for Reel-related alerts. You'll see several toggles that control how you receive these updates. To stop push notifications, disable the push option. If you want to curb email alerts as well, turn off email. And if you don't want SMS messages about Reels, switch off SMS. With these toggles in the off position, you won't get Reel notifications through those channels anymore. A quick tip, after you change these settings, you can still enjoy Reels without being interrupted. You'll keep the ability to view new Reels inside your feed, but the alerts won't flood your device. If at any point you want to tweak just one channel, say you still want in-app notices but no emails, you can adjust only that toggle without affecting the others. That's all there is to it. You've now personalized your notification flow, focusing on what matters most to you while keeping the rest quiet. If you ever decide to revisit, you can return to the same Settings Notifications Reels path and re-enable any channel you want.